In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the slide time duration in Google Slides using your PC. Understanding how to adjust the timing of each slide can help streamline your presentations and make them more engaging for your audience. Let's walk through it together. First, head over to Google Slides by visiting the Google Slides website from your preferred web browser. Once there, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This step is essential as it gives you access to your existing presentations and allows you to start a new one easily. Once signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see your existing presentations and options to create new ones. Click on Blank Presentation to start with a fresh canvas. With your new presentation open, go to the top of the screen and click on View. From the drop-down menu, select Slideshow. This will initiate slideshow mode, giving you a full screen view of your slides. As your presentation plays, look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the navigation bar. Here, locate the three dots button and click on it to open a more detailed menu. In this menu, you'll find an option to set the time duration for your slides. Select this option to customize how long each slide stays on screen before moving to the next. Adjust the duration according to your needs using the available time intervals. This feature is especially useful if you want your slides to transition automatically, maintaining a consistent pace throughout your presentation. Remember, different types of content may require different timings. Slides with heavy text or complex diagrams may need a longer duration, while simpler slides can move faster. You can also preview your slides after setting durations to see if the pace feels natural. Another helpful tip is to match your slide duration to any narration or voiceover you plan to add. This ensures a smooth and professional flow, especially for recorded presentations. If you make a mistake or want to adjust, simply go back to the three-dot menu and modify the timings again. Automatic slide timing can save you a lot of stress during live presentations as you won't need to click through each slide manually. Combining this feature with speaker notes can make your presentations highly polished and easy to deliver. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to set slide time duration in Google Slides. Experiment with different timings to find what best suits your content, ensuring your presentation captures your audience's attention without manually changing slides. Thank you for watching and a happy presenting.